मिस निशा एंड स्वागत है आपका साई ज्ञान सागर में। तो अब हम कर रहे हैं अप्रैल 2021 के करंट अफेयर मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 1। 70 क्वेश्चन है, देखते हैं क्या क्या क्वेश्चन है। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विद द रेफरेंस टू डिफेंस व्हाट इज INS 8323 दैट वाज द रिसेंटली कमिश्नर्ड। तो एयर स्क्वाड्रन। Indian Navy is the first unit of the indigenous built advanced light helicopter ALH Mk-13. Indian Navy Naval Air Squadron 323 was commissioned at INS Hasna, Goa. The Mk third version of the ALH will be used to search and rescue the special operation of the coastal surveillance. The squadron with the operate 3 ALH Mk-13 helicopter, a multi-role chopper with the Shakti engine, मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय द हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक लिमिटेड। अच्छा, ये क्या है? एक तरह का हेलीकॉप्टर है जो कि सर्च करेगा, यूज़ किया जाएगा रिसर्च और रिक्यू करने के लिए, स्पेशल ऑपरेशन एंड कोस्टलाइज सर्वेलेंस के लिए। और ये किसने बनाया है? तो ये बनाया है हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक लिमिटेड ने, HAL ने। इसका नाम क्या है? एयर स्क्वाड्रन। ये इंडियन नेवी के द्वारा बनाया गया है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, विच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज टू मैप लोकल फेस्टिवल टू प्रिवेंट फर्टिलिटी? इंडियन रेलवे। द मिनिस्ट्री इंडियन रेलवे हैड डिसाइडेड मैप लोकल फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेटेड near railway track across the country. It would issue the advisory to loco pilot and spread the restriction and other safety accepted to be follow. There are the several local festivals celebrated in India during which the people gather near railway premises and cross the track in a group as a part of event. 2 years ago, 61 people who were a part of Dashera celebration near Amritsar were run over a train. Shiv Sundaram Raman, who was making a new recently, took over the chairman or MD of the which organization? So Small Industry Development Bank of India. Small Industry Development Bank of India announced that Shiv Sundaram Raman has taken charges as the chairman and managing director of the bank. This appointment is the period of 3 years. Raman was the servicing MD CEO of the National E-Governance Service Limited. He is also the position of the Executive Director of the Security and Exchange Board of India, who has appointed the Director of General of National Anti-Doping Agency. तो सिद्धार्थ सिंह लोंगजाम, who has appointed as the Director General of the National Anti-Drop Agency. तो सिद्धार्थ सिंह लोंगजाम। IAS ऑफिसर सिद्धार्थ सिंह लोंगजाम is the take over the National Anti-Doping Agency Director General. The officer will be succeed Naveen Agrawal, who is introduced the athletics biological passport for around 60 elite Indian sport person during the tenure. लोंगजाम is currently serving the Joint Secretary in the Sport Ministry. In which state? कौन से स्टेट में द यूरिया प्लांट बेस्ड गैस कोयल गैसिफिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी बीइंग सेटअप बाय द टैलेंचर फर्टिलाइजर? कौन सा स्टेट है जहाँ पे यूरिया प्लांट बेस्ड एक कोल गैस फ्रेशन टेक्नोलॉजी पे एक टेक्सचर फर्टिलाइजर बनाया जाएगा? तो उड़ीसा। द कैबिनेट कमेटी ऑन इकोनॉमिकल अफेयर हैज अप्रूव्ड द सब्सिडी फॉर यूरिया प्रोडक्ट बाय द state-run intelligent fertilizer by mean of coal gasification technology. The company set up the urea plant based on coal gasification at the Odisha. Talcoach Fertilizer is a joint venture company between Coal India, GAIL, Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilization Corporation of India. As per the ICMR, which vaccine is found to be effective with neutralizing the double mutant strain of SARS-CoV-2? तो कोवैक्सीन। एज पर दी जो हमारा इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ मेडिकल रिसर्च है उसके हिसाब से कौन सी वैक्सीन इफेक्टिव होगी न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए डबल म्यूटेंट स्ट्रेन ऑफ द कोविड-19? तो वो होगी कोवैक्सीन। This vaccination manufacturing by the Hyderabad based Bharat Biotech. Also ICMR has stated that in National Institute of Virology scientists successfully isolated the cultural double mutant strain which is E484Q and LS45-2 mutation. Which organization has released the global review of the death penalty report? Which organization has released the global review of the death penalty report? तो Amnesty International. The Amnesty International released the annual report Global Review of the Death Penalty. As per the report, इस report के हिसाब there are the overall decrease in the number of global death penalty in year 2020. But some countries have increased the death penalty of execution. As per the report, China is considered to be world most prolific execution in the world. What is the name of NASA helicopter that commanded its flight in Mars? The American Ingenuity. The American Space Research Agency NASA robot helicopter named Ingenuity has been successfully flown over the surface of the Mars. Flight over by a aircraft another planet. Bobs Balram as an Indian original NASA engineer is considered to be man behind the Ingenuity helicopter. Jagannath Vidya Devena scheme is being implemented by which state? Andhra Pradesh. The state government Andhra Pradesh is implementing a scheme named is Jagannath Vidya Deva scheme, under which financial assistance given to the student for the pursuing highly education. The state government of Andhra Pradesh is implementing a scheme named is a Jagannath Vidya Devena scheme, under which of the financial assistance to give to the student for the pursuing higher education. Recently, the Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy released the first installment of the education fees reimbursement under the scheme to be bank account 8.10.88 lakh mothers. Who was the head of the Committee on Financial System 1991 to Committee on Banking Reform 1998 and Narasimha. AAIPOPIP grant program has been launched by the Australia in partnership with which country? To India. The Higher Commission of the Australia to India has been launched the Australia-India Indo-Pacific Ocean Initiative Partnership Grant Program. This AUD 1.4 million Indian is 8.12 crore granted program aim to support a free open Indo-Pacific region. The program will be encourage exchange of the expertise and the resource between the Australian and India stakeholder that complement regional mechanisms such as the Indian Ocean Rim Association Pacific Island Forum. India is the first oxygen express carried oxygen to which state? India is the first oxygen express carried oxygen to which state? Maharashtra. The country is very oxygen express departed from Andhra Pradesh to support oxygen to the state of Maharashtra. The roll off service operated by the Central Railway is forming oxygen from the Visakhapatnam steel plant to meet the sudden surge in oxygen demand in Maharashtra due to COVID-19 pandemic. Of the global climate, state of the global climate 2020 is a report released by the which organization? United Nations. Fact rebel group who were seen the news recently associated which country? Chad. Fighter of the front of the change Procat Chad rebel group are the formed 2016. The group said to have crossed into Chad recently with the aim of overthrowing the president Idriss Deby. The first after provision result of Deby being re-elected, the military announced that the president had died due to the wound suffered during the battle against the rebels. Which space agency released the image of interacting galaxy Airpit 273 in the space in the shape of cosmic rose? NASA. The NASA has recently released the image of interacting galaxy Airpit 273 in the shape of cosmic rose. The image has been shared on the official Instagram handle by the NASA Hubble Space Telescope. In the image, a group of spiral galaxy create a shape resembling a rose. The structure is made of galaxy lying in the Andromeda constellation at about 300 million light year away. What is the theme of Earth Day 2021? 22 अप्रैल को अर्थ डे मनाया जाता है और इसकी थीम थी स्टोर ओवर अर्थ. It is an international event to celebrate around the world support the environmental protection. This year marks the 51st anniversary of the annual celebration. The theme of Earth Day 20 Restore Our Earth. United Nations design 20 22 April as a International Mother Earth Day. As per the recent report released by the SP Global Rating April 2021, what is the growth forecast India 2021? What is the India rank in WEF Energy Transaction Index? India has been ranked 87th position among the 115 country Energy Transmission Index, which is released by the World Economic Forum. The top spot occupied by Sweden, followed by the Norway and Denmark. The top 10 positions have been occupied by the Western and Northern European country. Which country has been passed the No Ban Act bill? Which country passed the No Ban Act bill? To USA. The House of the Representatives of the United States of America has recently passed No Ban Act. This bill is aimed to limit the ability of any United States president to impose a travel ban on the basis of a religion. This move has been welcomed by many activity across the globe. Earlier, the USA administration headed the President Donald Trump imposed a Muslim ban, that is a barrier travel to the USA from several Muslim majority countries. With the reference of the recent NASA project, what does M in MOVEX stand? तो MOVEX का stand में M क्या है? Mars. NASA preservation mission has been extracted oxygen on the Mars plant using MOVEX. तो Mars oxygen in situ research utilization experiment. MOX का मतलब है Mars oxygen in situ resource utilization experiment. MOX is produced in a 5 gram oxygen from the carbon monoxide in the Martian atmosphere, which is enough to astronaut in a breath in 10 minutes. On Mars, carbon dioxide is 96% and the gas in atmosphere with the oxygen in the 0.13%. MOX intake C2O produce O2 from it. As per the IEA report, what percentage of CO2 emission in India 2021? What will the higher than that 2020? So 1.4%. The International Energy Agency in its recent report has stated the carbon dioxide emission in India for 3 years would be 2020 would be 1.4 more than the 2020 year. 20 million ton more than 20 years. More, the report stated the expected coal-based electricity generation would be 3 times more than generation from the other source. What is the name of the program which is backed by WHO that aim to fund young people ideas to combat COVID-19 impact? Global Youth Mobilization. Global Youth Mobilization aim to fund the young people idea to combat with the impact of COVID-19 pandemic in various communities. This is supported by the World Health Organization, United Nations Foundation. It also backed by the UNICEF, USAID, UNIFERFA, European Commission, Salesforce, FIFA, head of the state and government from the around of the world. As per the recent study by the CII Clean Air Fund and delivering what percentage of India GDP would be cost of the air pollution on Indian business? So 3%. In how many bodies of the UN in Economics and Social Council has been elected in recently? So 3. India has been elected by 3 bodies of the UN Economic Social Council recently. These 3 bodies, including Commission on Crime Prevention and Criminal Justice, Executive Board of the World Food Programme, and Executive Board of the UN Entry for Gender Equality and Empowerment Women. India will hold these positions from all 3 terms in all these bodies. Which space agency has launched a mission named SHIELD? तो नासा ने लॉन्च किए हैं. तो शील्ड का मतलब है स्पेशल हेट्रोडाइन इंटरफॉर्मेटिंग इमिशन लाइन डायनामिक स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर. इसका एम क्या होगा? टू स्टडी द लाइट फ्रॉम इंटरस्टेलर पार्टिकल्स विच हैज़ बीन ड्राफ्टेड द सोलर सिस्टम, लर्न अबाउट द क्लोज रीच द इंटरस्टेलर स्पेस. Which country has been validated by the WHO for having element trachoma? तो Gambia. The World Health Organization has recently validated Gambia for having eliminating trachoma as a public health problem. With this, Gloma become the second country in WHO African regional to achieve the milestone. KR Nagla 402 is the submarine of which country, in search of which of the Indian Navy has joined the rescue operation to Indonesia. Maulana Wahidur Khan, who is passed recently away, Islamic scholar from which country? To India. The Indian Islamic scholar and peace activity Maulana Wahidur Khan recently passed away. He was listed in 500 most influential Muslim of the world. He was famous of the having written a commentary on the Quran translated into the contemporary English. Earlier this year, the government has announced that would be awarded the Padma Vibhushan, the country's second highest civilian award, who have been appointed as the chairperson of the NASSCOM, to Rekha M. Menon. The National Association of Software and Service Company has been appointed Rekha M. Menon as the chairperson of the 2020-21-22. Rekha M. Menon is the chairperson, senior managing director of the Accenture in India, succeeding U. Provin Rao, chief operating officer, Infosys. When is the Earth Day observed every year? 22 April. Which country has passed a bill to combat this rise in hate crimes against Asian American and Pacific national? USA. As per the recent report SBI Research, what would be the growth rate of India financial year 2021? 10.4. Japan is set to hold its first joint military deal with which two countries against China aggression, USA and France. India has planned to raise the production of mustard to around 17 million tonnes by 25 to 26. The government of India has a plan to bring around the 9 million hectares of the land under the mustard cultivation and increase the production to around 17 million tonnes by 2025 to 26. These are announced during the Mission Mustard 2025 organized by the Solvent Extractor Association of the India. The average normal area for 5 years is at 14 to 15, 18 to 19 is 5.9 million hectare and production was 7.7 meter. Which financial service company has been launched the Code embedded credit card along with the BOB Financial, so Mastercard. Bank of Baroda financial credit card arm of Bank of Baroda Mastercard has been joint launched small business focused QR code ambassador credit card named Coin Invest Hold card. What is the name given to the small model of the human organ that contain multiple cell type that behave similar to the human body? What is the name given to the small model of human organs that contain multiple cell type that behave similar to the human body? The tissue chips. The tissue chips are the small model of human organ that contain multiple cell type that behave similar to the human body. 4 astronauts were recently launched to the International Space Station as a part of collaboration between NASA and SpaceX under the Commercial Crew Program. Their prime focus during the time will be carry out a series of tissue chips in space studies. E2025 initiative, what making news recently associated with which field? The eradication of malaria. The World Health Organization has been identified 25 countries with the potential to eradicate malaria by the 2025 under the E2025 initiative. As per the new report of the WHO zeroing and malaria elimination, these 25 countries including 3 from the Africa will have work on responding to dual threat of malaria and COVID-19. The WHO will provide the support technical guidance of these countries. Which type of institute have been allowed to start functioning in Gujarat? Gift City NBFC, non-banking financial company. Non-bank financial company, both local and global, are allowed to start operation in Gujarat Gift City by the International Financial Service Center. They will allow to offer the complaint range, the financial service including loan, investment banking, and the third-party product sales. Which country has recently joined the leadership group for the industrial transition lead IT? USA. In which year 73 constitution amendment as Panchayat Raj was enacted in India? 73 constitution amendment on Panchayati Raj enacted in India 1992. By what percentage of India export of the preceding food product as grown during the April-February 2021 APDA 26.51. Agricultural Processed Food Product Export Development Authority. By what name is full moon or April 26th the called as a pink moon? At what name is the full moon on April 26th called pink moon? This year super moon would be appear on ocean on April 26th and May. By what name is the full moon on 26 April is called as a pink moon? This year super moon would be appear to ocean 26 April and May. 26 April or 26 May. The first super moon 26 April called a pink moon. It is called because it is a correspond with the springtime bloom of the certain vine flower native to northern Earth and America, which is commonly known as moss pink. Which ministry implementing the Swamitva scheme? Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Which ministry implemented Swamitva scheme? So Ministry of Panchayati Raj. The Swamitva scheme is the central sector scheme launched by the National Panchayat Day 24th April 2020. The Ministry of Panchayati Raj is the nodal ministry implementation of the scheme. Recently, e-property card Swamiti has been distributed 49 lakh property owner 5 village by the Prime Minister. Which India company has successfully completed the phase 1, phase 2 clinical trial of its COVID-19 vaccination recently? The Biological E Limited. Which India company has successfully completed the phase 1 second clinic trial of the COVID-19 vaccination? Biological E Limited. What is the name of medical device which concentrate oxygen from the ambient air oxygen container? Which armed force launched a Center of the Excellence and Wellness named Ladakh Ignition Mind Indian Army? What is the theme of the World Immunization Week 2021? World Immunization Week जो मनाया जाता है फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ द अप्रैल. वर्ल्ड इम्यूनाइजेशन वीक जो मनाया गया है वो पहला फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ द अप्रैल. एंड द थीम ऑफ द वैक्सीनेशन ब्रिंग अस क्लोजर. वैक्सीन ब्रिंग अस क्लोजर. What is the theme of the World Immunization Week? Is Vaccine Bring Us Closer. Which is the headquarter of the World Intellectual Property Organization? World Intellectual Property Organization to Geneva. 26 April World Intellectual Property Organization member state designed 26 April as World IP Day with the aim of increasing general understanding of IP in this year 2000. VIP is the headquarter of Geneva. World Intellectual Property Day 2020 focused on the critical role of the small and medium-sized enterprises in the economy, how they can use to intellectual property right to build the competitive and the result business. Which institution released a report titled Gender-Based Inclusion in Advertising in India? UNICEF. UNICEF is the General Davis Institute on the Gender in Media, conducted a study and released a report titled Gender-Based and Inclusion Advertising in India. As per the research measure over YouTube advertising. Which country name is the first Mars rover? Zhongguo, to China. Integrated the NASA helicopter sand on which place? To Mars. When the UNA International Delegates Day observed every year? 25 April. When is the UNA International Delegate Day observed? 25 April. व्हाट इज़ द थीम ऑफ द वर्ल्ड मलेरिया डे? वर्ल्ड मलेरिया डे जो है 25 अप्रैल को मनाया जाता है। द वर्ल्ड मलेरिया डे 25 अप्रैल को मनाया जाता है। उसकी थीम थी रीचिंग द ज़ीरो मलेरिया टारगेट। 25 अप्रैल को वर्ल्ड मलेरिया डे मनाया जाता है जिसकी थीम थी रीचिंग द ज़ीरो मलेरिया टारगेट। Which is the following country is not a part of net zero producer from India? Which of the following country is not a part of net zero producer from India? Which is the smallest of the all living rhizonium and the only Asian rhizonium with two or Sumatran rhinos? Sumatran rhinos are the smallest living rhinoceros. Which institution to conduct the bank customer satisfaction service on the bank merge? तो RBI. Which sport personality is leading the UNICEF global vaccination initiative? David Beckham. Footballer star UNICEF goodwill ambassador. फुटबॉल जो यूनिसेफ का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है वो है फुटबॉलर जिसका नाम है डेविड बैककॉम। इज़ अ सेविंग अ वैक्सीन एम्बेसडर टू क्रिएट द अवेयरनेस एंड कॉन्फिडेंस इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ वैक्सीनेशन. He is recently features in a video release ahead of World Immunization Week. He has also founded 7 fund of UNICEF to encourage the parent to vaccinate themselves and the children to protect them against disease such as diphtheria, measles, and polio. Vavirina coola indica is the name of which cat like a mammal that is recused recently East Godavari. Civet. Which institute has released the state of the economical report? Reserve Bank of India. Which institute has released the state of economic of India? Deepika Kumari and Dhantu Das. Who is the Deepika Kumari and Dhantu Das, who is the news recently associated with sport archery. Project Dhantak. Project Dhantak is being seen in the news recently. Is the flagship project carried out in which country? Bhutan. Varuna is a multilateral defense exercise between India and Varuna is a multilateral defense exercise between India and France. The Varuna is a multilateral level exercise between the India and France. The 19th edition of the bilateral exercise Varun 2021 concluding 27th April 2021 conducted in Arabian Sea. The exercise including advanced air defense and anti-submarine program, intense flying operation, surface anti-air weapon firing and other marine security operation. Which Indian Armed Force is training its non-medical personnel to function as the battlefield nursing assistant? Indian Navy. What is the main object of the Crypto Climate Accord, an alliance of the crypto firm to eliminate GHG emission? An alliance of cryptocurrency firm and organization have announced the Crypto Climate Accordance. It is the industrial drive-in agreement in which the firm vow to switch the renewable energy resource by the 2025 and go completely eliminate the greenhouse gas emission by 2040. CCI is the lead by 3 non-profit group: the Rocked Mountain Institute, the Alliance for Innovative Regulation and Energy, BAB Foundation. Union Cabinet approved the signing of an agreement between India and which country to preventing the custom offences? The UK and Northern Ireland. The Union Cabinet chaired the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has approved the signing of agreement between India and United Kingdom and Northern Ireland sharing the information and preventing customer offences. The proposed agreement is expecting to facilitate trade and ensure faster customer clearance between 3 countries. Which country launched NEO-01 robot which aimed to remove space debris? China. As per the recent report of the Asian Development Bank, what is the estimate growth rate of final year 2011%? What does the CT indicate? PTCR examination. CT, which is the most commonly used in related to RT-PCR. RT-PCR COVID detection test stand for cycle threshold. It is a refer to the number of cycle after which is a SARS-CoV-19 coronavirus can be detected. The lower than CT value, the higher than viral load. As per the ICMR, CT value less than 35 may be considered as a COVID positive. Then Duna Gandavai. The Duna Gandhawai is the Padma Shri received in 2021 in the field of literature, who is the passed away recently is from which state? Gujarat. India recently agreed to establish 2+2 ministerial dialogues between the foreigner and defense ministry with which country? Russia.